I'm Thomas Ellis,
I'm Christy Ellis.
and we're owners of Waco Axe Company. Waco Axe Company is an entertainment company where we throw axes, where we do games, competitions. A long time ago, I was in the military and I started in the Ranger Battalion, so we had a lot of axe throwing history, really setting this up just so we can have a really fun, exciting time together.
We really say that any skill level is welcome into Waco Axe. A lot of people throwing in their backyard, but we can, help them change up their throw a little bit and get them set up with the right axe.
We pair you up with a coach, and then they actually go through not only our safety, but really instructions on technique and how to throw and how to be a better thrower. So then everyone is an expert before they really get into all the games and stuff. And then after the competitions, we end it with little trick shots, and we throw like throwing stars, knives, meat cleavers.
We've had gender reveals before, birthday parties, bachelor parties and everything. So it really works well whether it's just two people or if it's a whole group of people. We can kind of accommodate both sizes, makes it really fun.
And we have people that on a regular basis come on a date. They live in Oklahoma, and once a month they'll come down to Waco, come to Waco Axe Company.
What I love about Waco is
The people.
Because as much as it grows, and Waco definitely has opened to expanding and accepting new things, there's also this foundation of person-to-person connection that Waco never forgets. So that's really what makes a community stay intact, is having the people connecting.